Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here looking at the beautiful Whitney Uptown in Uptown Dallas, and man, I love it. This is a 2-bedroom model. This is number 10F, and so you don't have to go to the Whitney. You can just rely on these videos. The videos are going to tell you everything that you would see on a tour and more. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a really attractive 2-bedroom with a lot of little cool things like this little nook here. You could use this as an office, or you could actually have a little breakfast area there too. That's a really adorable 2-bedroom. Now we're going to go and look actually at the bedrooms. So let's look at this bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 1. Really cute. Look at this. There's some great space in here. It feels great in here too. I love all the windows that are here. This is just adorable. Great space. Looks great. The floor is great. Everything about this is just adorable and perfect. This is the countertops in here. Some granite countertops. Love the look and feel in here too, and really nice. That's the shower. The shower's cute. Looks great. So that's bedroom number 1. Let's go into bedroom number 2. And also, I love how separated these are. I love how separated the bedrooms are, and they're different too. So this is the bedroom number 2. This has some great windows also. It's like 3 windows actually, with some great views of Uptown. Super cute closet. It looks great in here in that closet. Just love that. And then this is the bedroom itself. Very, very cute. This is the bathroom. The bathroom's very adorable. Look at that. That's just so sweet. It's quartz countertops. That's the shower, and then, by the way, the flooring is all this luxury vinyl. It's really pretty. There's no carpet, nothing. It's easy, especially if you have a pet. Super easy in here to clean and to keep clean, and it looks fresh and bright. This is what it looks like here at the Whitney Uptown. Hey, if you're ready to take a tour, don't come in person. Just use our touring service. We'll do a virtual tour for you, just like this, except for it'll be just the apartments that fit your time frame and your needs. So just request our virtual touring service, and we'll set that up for you right away, as early as today. So send me a text. Just use the number below. Just say, hey, Grant, I'd love to tour the Whitney virtually, and we'll go from there.